Hi everyone, Stephanie here. I'm back. I said I was going to demo some of our new products that launched last week, and today we're going to do the lip and cheek tint, the Sheer Touch. I have the darker color, which is Bloom, and the lighter color, which is Brave. Both of these are vegan, and I already did it on my cheeks because I forgot my makeup brushes. I did it with my fingers just to test them out. These are great. We have the Brave on this side and the Bloom, yes, on this side. Very light, very buildable too. So if I wanted a little bit heavier, I could put them on, do a couple coats more. But we'll try the lips now. This is the first one. This is going to be Brave. I like this because it's very light. It's not cakey feeling like some lipsticks are. It's not sticky and glossy like lip glosses are, even though it seems like it's a lip gloss just judging by what it looks like. If I didn't say so, both of these are vegan. And then I'll show you what the darker color, the Bloom, looks like. I'm going to use my reusable makeup remover pads to take these off. And again, this is really nice because it's compact, so you can put this in your purse and go. To reapply if you need to, and then also if you decide you need a little bit more on the cheeks, you can do that as well. So this is the Bloom. And sorry for all the background noise. My toddler just woke up from a nap and is going a little cray. And this is the darker one, which looks are deceiving. Look at this bottle, the color. Yeah, it looks like, blood, right? Look at it on. Very natural. It looks really good. Like I said, it's very light. I definitely would recommend getting these. I kind of love them already. Again, it's the Sheer Touch Lip and Cheek Tint. And we have Brave and Bloom, and I better go before someone freaks out. You guys have a good day. Bye.